This is the decade of restoration of ecological system declared by United Nations. On this Environment Day, we are going ahead with the same theme. To sustain this ecological balance, everybody has a role to play, be it an individual, the society at large, at a country, or the legal agency. Everybody has to work towards a sustainable world with effective ecological measures.
Plant a tree today, it will help us breathe tomorrow. Save life.
In the World Environmental Day, we talk about the ecological restoration. The ecosystem has been totally damaged and decayed and degraded in a long ago, and we are now wants to restore the ecological system in place. To move further, to take it forward, we take a pledge on add greenery to the environmental, make it fresh and alive. Thank you and happy Environmental Day.
On this World Environment Day, we are all committed to save our ecosystem from degradation. As an environment professional, it's our responsibility to save our ecosystem from water, air and soil pollution. It will only succeed if everyone take part.
We are committed for restoring the healthiest ecosystem, and on this Environment Day, we commit take forward safest environment to the future generation.
Eco-restoration, it is the process of recovery of the ecosystem have been destroyed, damaged and degraded. This can be restored only by planting the trees and maintaining world good environment.
On the occasion of this World Environment Day, I quote my oft-practiced mantra of reduce, reuse and recycle. Humans have been abusing our environment with disastrous consequences in their greed for immediate gratification at the cost of danger to future generations. It is time to change the paradigm of sustainable development, and it starts with us immediately. Consume only what you need, avoid hoarding, reuse where possible, and the immediate positive impact can be felt in our own homes. Stay safe, protect our environment, protect our air, water and earth.
The World Environment theme for 2021 is ecosystem restoration, wherein the ultimate goal is to create a self-supporting process of assisting the recovery of ecosystem. One of the initiatives is to educate our employees and stakeholders about nature, its value to all of us and how we all have a part to play. We intend to plant at least 2,000 trees at various locations across our operations. We also would like to choose a corporate renewable PPA for wind and renewable energy for offices, thereby reducing the carbon intensity. Due to urbanization, the lakes and water bodies are degraded. Preservation of lakes is essential today and will take support of concerned agencies for reinstating. Considering today's situation, restoration of nature is imperative to the survival of our planet, and we are fully committed to it.
At Bureau of Veritas, we are also equally alert and takes responsibility for saving the environment by many of the initiatives taken by us. As Bureau Veritas in its business operation, nowadays transforming towards digital platform, creating majority of its operating systems as online systems.
As we all know about the restoring ecosystems, I have committed for the damage of ecosystems during the construction of my own house during last year. To restore the ecosystem, I have planted with same amount of trees surrounding my house.